Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, and now we are ready to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 16th of September, 2024, our system has classified Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.49. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 43% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 53.13% and negative 36.58%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a decline of 34.74% over the next 12 months, with a projected return between negative 42.52% and positive 15.17%. This amounts to a price range of $12.02 to $24.08 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel features the headline, "Strong day for Intel stock price on Monday, rising 6.36% to $20.91. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, Intel's stock price increased by 6.36%, moving from $19.66 to $20.91. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.63%, ranging from a low of $19.76 to a high of $21.07. Notably, the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 5.13% during this period. Importantly, the trading volume increased alongside the price, signaling a positive technical development, with a total of 81 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 125 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.61 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price stands 59.22%, or $30.37, below the 52-week high. It is also 69.82%, or $48.38, below the all-time high reached on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel has made headlines today with a series of significant developments that are likely to impact its stock price, both in the short and long term. The Biden administration has awarded Intel up to $3 billion under the CHIPS Act, aimed at increasing domestic semiconductor production, which is critical for national security and various defense applications. This substantial funding signals government support, enhancing investor confidence in Intel's future growth potential. In addition to the government backing, Intel announced plans to create a separate entity for its foundry business, allowing for outside funding. This strategic decision is expected to attract more investment and partners, fostering further innovation. The stock experienced a notable boost today as Intel led the S&P 500, demonstrating its resilience amid sector-wide challenges. Moreover, Intel's collaboration with Amazon Web Services aims to advance custom chip designs, which could strengthen its competitive positioning in the tech market. CEO initiatives to cut costs while isolating manufacturing and design operations further indicate a proactive approach to addressing past operational challenges. In the longer term, Intel's investment in advanced manufacturing technology, particularly the anticipated 18A node launch, could enhance its profitability significantly by 2025. While challenges remain from previous operational setbacks, the combination of governmental support, strategic partnerships, and internal reforms presents a robust framework for recovery, making Intel a stock worth watching closely in the evolving semiconductor landscape. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Intel a sector weight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald also assigned Intel an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated Intel as a buy with a hold recommendation. On that same day, RBC Capital assigned Intel a sector perform rating and issued a downgrade. Finally, on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, BMO Capital rated Intel as a market perform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as a buy as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 10.69%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MEMACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The Intel stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average shows a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a prevailing sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $21.28. Conversely, if it falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $19.50. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots displayed a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger also showed a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflected a buy signal 35 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 118 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages displayed a buy signal 126 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel is currently finding support from accumulated volume at $20.13. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.31, or 6.63%. Looking back at the last week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 4.08%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it may suggest that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -3 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $20.99. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry. For those already holding the stock, this may serve as a point to evaluate for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Intel finds its first support level at $20.13. If this support level holds firm, it could represent a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Goel Scott, who bought and sold 9,888 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.706. Overall, insiders purchased 450,195 shares and sold 428,883 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $20.09, reflecting a decrease of 3.92%. This stock demonstrates medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel shows several positive indicators, yet we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy opportunity at this moment. Currently, it would be wise to view it as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Our analysis has been updated since the previous evaluation, changing from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of September, we anticipate that Intel will open lower by 33 cents, starting at $20.58. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.